How to set back tap or double tap to run a shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Touch. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. And here you can choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. Next, we scroll down to the bottom. In here, you should be able to see a list of shortcuts. So tap on a shortcut that you want to run. So here I've got a 3 seconds timer. And so once you have selected, you can double tap at the back to run the shortcut. And that's it. So that is one example. Another example is to open up Chrome. So here I can double tap at the back of the phone to open up the Chrome app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.